It is very important to have ability to import other 3D file format, especially those who are, universally accepted. For example, step file, IGES and OBJ. And in case of FreeCAD doesn't stop there. It also can export or import other file format, for example, DXF format that is being utilized by AutoCAD and so on. And in this video, we're going to talk about import and export option. For that, let's go here on edit, then in preferences, and then here we need to go to import and export option. So let's click on it. Now here you can see you have got option to customize all these formats. So for example, here we can see following are the customization available for just DXF. For instance, you want to add color from the DXF file, you can enable that during import. You can also import so many other options. For example, here in this import specific settings, you have option to import text and dimensions, point, layout, and blocks. You can also customize the scale. For example, you want the model to be imported in different scale. Here you can mention the value of it. Let's say you want it in 2:1, so you can set the value as 2. I'm gonna keep it default such that I import the data in original dimension. Now in case of export, here you can see you have option to customize the file that you would like to export. And some of these files are helpful. For example, converting spline that you have created as polyline. And then here you can further define the segment size of it. Similarly, we do have got this DWG, SVG and other format. So in this way guys, we can customize it. And let me quickly open one file here and let's try to export it in a different format. So I'm gonna go here in file and click on export, and then here it is asking us to select the object. So now we have selected the object that we would like to export, and now here I can convert or save it in so many different formats. So let's go with step data, and then I'm gonna save it in my desktop. Now here again, you can see there are so many options available to export step. Let's keep it as it is. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to open this in another format. So for example, NX. So I'm gonna quickly try this in NX. And from here, I think I need to select all files. And here is the data. So let me select this and click on OK. Now let me create a model. Now I am going to import that model here. So let's select step, and now I'm going to select the step file. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to go here in file, import, and then I need to select this step. Now let's select the file and click OK. Now let me try to open it in Creo. And now let's click on open desktop. From here I'm going to select this body.step, and there we go. So here you can see we have created this model in FreeCAD and I have imported in PTC Creo Parametric. So this way guys, we just saw how we can customize our export option, and we also saw with one example how we can export it and can import in other CAD software. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series, and I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.